Welcome to Freebird's Countdown to Christmas. If this is your first time, welcome to my channel. You need to be caught up first to understand what's going on here. Same for those ones that watched it maybe like the first few days and then just came back because it's more in the holiday season. There are not instructions, down below in the description box is a link. That link will take you to the playlist so you can get caught up on all these. You have to watch all these first to know what's going on. And I dive it deep in detail, more in detail with these. So yesterday, we did the Tauntaun. And after this video premieres, we will have only 4 more days until this is over. So, let's get into it. Here's day 20. Remember, we'll see who we're building. I will build that character or ship. And then I'll give my thoughts on it. And then the video will close. So it looks like, I have no idea what that is. Might be the shield generator on Hoth. So, let me get this out. And I'll see you guys. Next time I'll see you guys, this will be built. Okay, so we finally got the shield generator build from The Empire Strikes Back. This one was a semi-tough build, but as you know, for all of our builds, goes into our collection. Wow. Look how good our collection's looking. Just 4 more days, folks, until we're done. I've been your host, Freebird. And over and out, guys.